Good morning, my dear children. Once again, I welcome you all to our history class. Today, I am here with a new topic, the economic life of the Indus Valley people, in which we will discuss about agriculture. Okay, children. So, today's topic is economic life of the Indus Valley people, in which we are going to study about agriculture. Okay, economic life. Children, the main occupation of the people of Indus Valley civilization was agriculture. Agriculture was the primary occupation of the people. So, what was the main occupation of the people of Indus Valley? Yes, agriculture. Agriculture was the main occupation of Indus Valley people. You learned that the Indus Valley civilization was a river valley civilization. It was a river valley civilization. That means civilization that developed in the banks of rivers. That means in the banks of river Indus and its tributaries. You know that the people started a settled life in the banks of rivers. And you know the reason. Why did they settle in the banks of rivers? Mainly of two reasons. The first one, fertility of the soil. Second one, availability of water. So, the river Indus and its tributaries, that means other rivers that joins to the river Indus, provided adequate supply of water and also it ensured fertility of soil. So, the people of Indus Valley depended mainly on agriculture, because of the fertility of the soil in the banks of river Indus and the availability of water. So, the soil was fertile. So, fertile soil and availability of water. Fertile soil or fertility of soil and availability of water. Fertile soil and availability of water helped the people of Indus Valley to depend on agriculture. So, the main occupation of the Indus Valley people was agriculture because of the fertile soil in the banks of river Indus and the availability of water, the constant supply of water. There was no scarcity of water in the river valleys. Rivers ensured an adequate supply of water always. Okay, and both these things helped the people to promote agriculture. You know that at the beginning, people started a settled life because they started agriculture. Right? See, the people or the early humans or the primitive men were hunter-gatherers. You learned in the previous years that the people led the life of hunter-gatherers. They wandered from place to place in search of food and shelter, and also they were hunters. That means they hunted animals for food. Right? But when they started agriculture, it became very essential to settle somewhere. That is why people started a settled life. And they settled in the river valleys because of these two reasons. The soil near the rivers was very fertile and also the rivers ensured availability of water. Both these facilities were available in the banks of river Indus, and that's why the people promoted agriculture. They started agriculture. They cultivated more and more crops. The main occupation of the Indus Valley people was agriculture. That's the point. Okay, you should note down it in your copy. The main occupation of the people of Indus Valley was agriculture because of two reasons, the fertile soil and the availability of water. Clear, children? So, what was the main occupation of the people of Indus Valley? Yes, agriculture. Agriculture was the main occupation of the Indus Valley people, mainly because of the fertility of the soil and the availability of water. In the previous class, when we studied about the religion of the Indus Valley people, you learned that Mother Goddess was worshipped as a symbol of fertility, right? Yes, the ancient Indus Valley people, the Indus Valley people worshipped mother goddess as a symbol of fertility, and they also worshipped a male god who was called Pashupati, or the lord of cattle, that we will discuss after some time. That means now we will discuss about agriculture, the main occupation of the people, and they depended mainly on agriculture because of two reasons: fertile soil and availability of water. Okay, they worship the mother goddess as a symbol of fertility. Now, which are the important crops cultivated by the Indus Valley people? The crops, they cultivated crops such as the crops cultivated by the people of Indus Valley: wheat, barley, millet, cotton, etc. Cotton, sesame, etc. Listen children, these were the important crops cultivated by the people of Indus Valley. The crops such as wheat, barley, millet, cotton, sesame, etc. Okay. See children, millets means three crops togetherly known as millets such as ragi, jowar and bajra. Millets are three crops such as ragi, jowar and bajra. These three crops are togetherly called millets. Okay, these three crops such as ragi, jowar and bajra are togetherly called millets. So the Indus Valley people cultivated all these crops such as wheat, barley, millet, cotton and sesame. You know that millets is the name for three crops such as ragi, jowar and bajra. Here you know that sesame is an oil seed. It's an oil seed. Oil is extracted from this sesame. It's an oil seed. Okay children, so these were the important crops cultivated by the people of Indus Valley. You know that the main occupation of the people was agriculture because of the fertility of the soil in the banks of river Indus and its tributaries, and the constant supply or the availability of water from the rivers. Again, they cultivated the crops such as wheat, barley, millets, cotton, sesame, etc. Three crops such as ragi, jowar and bajra are togetherly known as millets, right? And the sesame, you know, it's an oil seed. The people of Indus Valley cultivated all these crops. Clear children? Then they domesticated animals. So the domestication of animals was also there. They domesticated animals. Domesticated animals. So agriculture and the domestication of animals. You know that Pashupati was considered as the lord of cattle. Pashupati or the lord of cattle. The people of Harappa or the Harappans worship Lord Pashupati also, or lord of cattle also. You can see that at seal from the Harappan sites depict that the Pashupati is sitting in a yogic posture and surrounded by animals. Here the people of Harappa also domesticated different types of animals. They domesticated animals such as camels, sheep, buffaloes and goats. They domesticated animals such as camels, sheep, buffaloes and goats. The Harappans domesticated camels, sheep, buffaloes and goats. Okay. These were the animals domesticated by the Indus Valley people. So there existed agriculture and domestication of animals in the Indus Valley cities. The people of Indus Valley domesticated animals such as camels, sheep, buffaloes and goats. Okay, and some seals. The Harappan seals have pictures of animals like tiger, elephant and rhinoceros. Some of the seals from Harappa depicts the pictures of what? Depicts the pictures of some animals such as tiger, elephant and the rhinoceros. Tiger, elephant and the rhinoceros. Okay. These were the animals which were familiar to the Indus Valley people. Clear, children? So listen, children, now we are discussing about the economic life of the Indus Valley people and about agriculture. Okay, and we will discuss about agriculture and the domestication of animals. So the Indus Valley people, the primary occupation was agriculture because they lived in the highly fertile valleys of river Indus and its tributaries. Or the people of Indus Valley lived in the highly fertile land in the banks of river Indus. That's why they depended on agricultural production. It was their main occupation. And the main crops they cultivated were the crops such as wheat, barley, millets, cotton, sesame, etc. You know that wheat and barley, millets were food crops, and you know millets include ragi, jowar and bajra. And here you know cotton is a fiber crop. Cotton is a fiber crop. That is not a food grain, it is a fiber crop, and sesame is an oil seed. Oil is extracted from this seed. Okay, so all these were the important crops cultivated by the Indus Valley people. Crops such as wheat, barley, millets, cotton, sesame, etc. So children, what was the main occupation of the people of Indus Valley? Agriculture. Agriculture was the main occupation of Indus Valley people. Which were the crops cultivated by them? Yes, wheat, barley, millets, cotton, sesame, etc. Right? Then what forced the people of Indus Valley to depend on agriculture? The fertility of soil and availability of water. Right? Again, they domesticated animals also. The people of Indus Valley domesticated animals. Which were the animals domesticated by the Indus Valley people? They domesticated camels, sheep, buffaloes, goats. These were the animals domesticated by the Indus Valley people or the Harappan people. You know that the Indus Valley civilization is also called the Harappan culture or Harappan civilization. Why it is called so? Because Harappa was the first site to be excavated by the archaeologist. Harappa was the first Indus Valley site to be excavated by the archaeologists. That's why the Indus Valley civilization is also called the Harappan culture or the Harappan civilization. So the people of Harappa domesticated animals such as camels, sheep, buffaloes and the goats. You know that these animals were used for milk, meat and sometimes for carrying goods. Okay, for transportation also. Listen children, the seals or the clay seals from the Harappan sites depict the pictures of animals such as tiger, elephants and the rhinoceros. Tiger, elephant and the rhinoceros. You know that the pictures were depicted or the pictures of these animals such as tiger, elephant and rhinoceros are depicted in the seals which are excavated from the archaeological sites or the Indus Valley sites. Okay, there were the pictures of the animals such as tiger, elephant and rhinoceros in the seals excavated from Indus Valley cities. That show that the Indus Valley people know about these animals also. They mainly domesticated the animals such as camels, sheep, buffaloes and goats, but they know about tiger, elephants and the rhinoceros. Clear, children? So now we have discussed about agriculture and domestication of animals by the people of Harappa or the Indus Valley people. Clear? So we discussed that agriculture was the main occupation of the people of Indus Valley. They depended on agriculture because of the fertility of the Indus Valley soil. That means they lived in the highly fertile soil of the Indus Valley. There was enough water supply also from the nearby rivers. And you know that the crops cultivated by them included wheat, barley, millets, cotton and sesame. Millets means the three crops such as ragi, jowar and bajra. And you know sesame is an oilseed. They domesticated animals such as camels, sheep, buffaloes, goats, etc. And the seals from the Harappan sites show that there were the pictures of tiger, elephants and rhinoceros, or the seals show that the people of Indus Valley know about all these animals. Clear, children? Now we completed this topic and we hope that you understood it clearly. Now you have to read your book, make a note of all these important points, read them also, study. And don't waste your time. You have to concentrate more on your studies. Don't waste your time. Stay at home and be happy and healthy. Thank you and have a nice day.